Hello everyone, as you can see, I got this set up and ready to go. Now when I first tested it out, I thought the core here, the core that does all the work, was acting a little faulty. But then I realized that it's just warming up. And after playing with it for an hour, it started to perform well. Let's go. Okay, here goes Percy, picking up. Yeah, as you can see, Percy just fell over. Not only that, but he also dropped a coal ball. Oh, he dropped another one. Let me try this again. There, down goes Percy, picking up the cargo, dumping it, and lowering it up to he dropped more balls. Sorry about that, but Percy dropped more balls. See, Tom's just doing the U-turn. Oh, great, another one dropped. Yeah, I kind of had this problem with my other set. Yeah. See? Oh no. Percy fell over again. Tom's doing a U-turn and delivering the cargo. Now let's see if Percy can do it without following up this time. He did it again. Let's just watch this one more time. Sorry about the noise downstairs. I'm up here, you know. And Percy has fell off once again. Yeah, I kind of had this problem with my other set, the John Deere version. Oh. On second thought, maybe just one more and see if Percy can improve. I already put the balls in, 2 balls in him. He's getting more. Oh, he dropped the ball. And come on. Percy did it without falling over this time. And if you wanna load timers up a little more, you can always press this and load them up again. And there you have it. The 2018 Tomy Thomas & Friends Big Loader set. Now, even though I adore this set, it does clearly have some faults and some issues that need to be resolved. But nonetheless, I think it's a great Christmas gift for those who are a fan of these types of sets. And again, sorry about the noise downstairs. Those are my stupid dogs. And no offense, but I hardly had any respect for them. So that's why I'm always up here. Yeah, but as you can see, I clearly misplaced some stickers. But I did pretty good nonetheless. So, I would recommend getting this set either as a Christmas gift or a birthday present. Or probably as an Easter gift. Maybe. Who knows? Again, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, bye for now.